Hello guys, and here we have a quick update on the Lightning build. As discussed in the livestream last week, I have continued the build and priming of the Lightning off stream. Although, I have recorded all the steps and now gonna give you a quick resume of what I did. I'm wondering if you guys would want to see the pre-shading step live on stream, or if you want me to have it ready for paint for next stream. Please do let me know in the comments what would be your preference. In the meantime, landing gears, Airfix and all the other stuff is now done. So, enough talking and let's enjoy the build. we have now finally primed. Some pre-touches on the belly, as you can see, but everything is now primed. As I mentioned on the beginning, I'm not sure if you guys want to see me pre-shading this on live stream, or if I can pre-shade it and then we just advance for the paint on the live stream. Please let me know in the comments, and I'll see you guys Thursday 9 o'clock, don't forget. See you soon, guys.